If you want to add superscript to text in Figma, this video will show you the fastest way to do it step by step. Superscript is really useful for things like footnotes, trademark symbols, math notation, measurements, and small characters that need to sit slightly above the main line of text. And the best part is, you can do it directly inside Figma without needing a separate tool. If this video helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Figma tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Figma design file and go to the text you want to edit. You can click directly into the text layer or select the specific text object from the Layers panel if that is easier. Next, highlight the letter or number that you want to turn into superscript. This is important because Figma will only apply the formatting to the selected characters, not the entire text layer, unless that is what you want. Once the character is selected, look over to the right-hand panel where the typography settings are located. Under typography, you will see a small filter icon. Click that filter icon to open the more detailed text options. After that, click on the Details tab. This tab gives you access to advanced typography controls that are not visible in the basic text settings. Now scroll down until you find the Numbers section. This is where Figma keeps settings related to number formatting and position. When you get to the position option, click Superscript. As soon as you select it, Figma will raise the selected character above the baseline, giving it that proper superscript look. If you want, you can repeat the same process for other letters or numbers in the same text line. For example, you might use it for reference numbers, formulas, or brand symbols. And if the spacing or appearance looks a little off, you can always adjust the font size or line styling slightly to make it blend better with the rest of your design. That is all there is to it. You have now added superscript to text in Figma in just a few clicks. This is a simple but very useful technique that can make your designs look more professional and polished. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next Figma tip. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.